First, make sure the car is turned on, then make sure we are in the menu section, which we are right now. On top of the menu button, press on connections, press add new. It says Bluetooth is off. Would you like to turn Bluetooth on to connect a device? We press yes. Here, it pretty much tells you to turn Bluetooth on your phone and then look for the name My Sentra. Now you would notice on the phone that I have, it shows My Sentra right there, and I'll press on that. It will give me a code right there on the phone and also on the car screen. Both of these codes should match to each other. After matching both codes, now select pair on the phone. Phone is asking to allow contacts and favorite syncs, which I'll press allow. Now the phone is connected, but the car will ask, would you want to make it a favorite device? Yes or no? I'll just press yes for now. Just like that, we have connected our Bluetooth phone with the car. Now suppose you want to delete a Bluetooth device. We are on the menu section one more time. We'll press connections right there. Notice on your connected device, at the very end, it shows letter I. We'll press on that. And then at the very top, press delete. Car asks one more time if you want to delete, press yes. And that is how you connect or delete Bluetooth on this car. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.